How to use Revolut virtual card. You can use your Revolut virtual card for online shopping, for offline shopping, in-store purchase, and also you can use it in Apple Pay wallet and Google Pay wallet. First of all, open your Revolut mobile banking app and the interface will be look like this. Here as we can see here cards option, so we need to click on cards icon. If you are not able to find this card icon, then you can search for it. So this is the card section and interface will be look like this. So in the bottom you will find add new option, so we need to click on add new. A polite request, please hit the like button. Now they are asking you to pick your card. You can order your physical card and virtual card. Right now we are going to proceed with virtual card, so select virtual card. So interface will be look like this. Which type of color you want for your card? Many colors are available, you can check out and select it. Now click on get virtual card for free. So now they are asking you name your card. You can use it for your online shopping, subscriptions and general purpose. Right now I'm going to select general and after that click on create card. Congratulations, your Revolut virtual card is ready to use. Your virtual debit card is ready. You can use it in your Apple Pay wallet, Google Pay wallet, in-store purchase and offline and online both method. Right now we need to click on not now. Go to your home page again and interface will be look like this. We need to select card option from here. If you are not able to find, then you can search for it. Now here many options are available. Single virtual card and general card. So this is the general card which we have created right now. So we are going to use it to click on ready to use. So this is the your card and we need to click on show details. So click on it. A polite request, please hit the like button. So now they are asking you to enter your passcode for security purpose and they will ask you to verify by your mobile number. So enter your 6-digit code which received on your mobile number. So after all verification process completed, now interface will be look like this. So this is your virtual card number, expiry date and CVV code which I hide due to privacy issue. Now you can copy your card number and expiry CVV details. By using these details, you can shopping for online, for your Amazon, Netflix and many more. And if you want to use this card in offline, then in the bottom you will find add to Apple Pay wallet. So we need to click on add to Apple Pay. If you have Android device, then you will find add to Google Pay. So right now I'm going to click on add to Apple Pay wallet. Add your card to pay Apple Pay. You need to enter name on the card and the card number. And after that click on next icon. Adding your card, contacting the card issuer. Wait for a while and after that click on next icon. They will ask you to select term and conditions, so you need to click on agree. Set as default card in your wallet. It's completely your choice. If you want to add, then you can click on use as a default, and if you don't want, then you can click on not now. Now you can use your card through Apple Pay wallet everywhere in the stores. If your phone has NFC, then you can use contactless payment through your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet.